Hi everyone, my name is Anisha Mohammed and I'm the technical specialist here at Self Solutions. Today we have a very exciting unboxing to do. So we will be unboxing Grandstream's new ruggedized portable Wi-Fi phone, the WP825. So inside the box we have the instruction manual and we have the phone. So it's a very nice, strong, sturdy, durable phone. It's designed for very fast-moving, thriving environments where the phones can possibly be dropped quite a few times accidentally, such as like securities, logistics, warehouse, yards, medical, education. So those are all types of environments where you might accidentally drop the phone in a rush, or you might hit it against metal, the wall. There must be a lot of stuff around that you can bump into with the phone, and the phone will be absolutely fine. It does have a weather rating of IP67, so it's dustproof and waterproof, also drop-proof up to 2 meters. So the phone is built to withstand all sort of rigorous and intensive environments. And in the box as well we have the base station. So the base station is designed in such a nice, strong way where when you put the phone, it stays in place. So if it were to accidentally be knocked over by something, the phone will not fall off. It'll stay in place, locked in place. And at the back of the phone as well, it's got a lock feature where you can lock the battery cover, so the battery will stay nice and safe in there. If the phone were to drop or get bumped against something, the battery cover will not come off. And inside the box we also have the belt clip, which just clips in the back of the phone so that you can clip it to your belt. We also have the phone's battery, so just get that. So you have the battery, and you have the micro USB power cable, and on the phone you've got volume buttons, volume up, volume down. You have a headphone jack just over here, so a headphone jack, and you also have the micro USB port down there, and you have HD speakers at the back. If you would like to know more, please reach out to us at voip@softsoul.co.nz and we will be happy to assist.